Hey viewers, a very warm welcome to my YouTube channel, that is AutoMT. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So today we are going to talk about the 2023 Ford Puma. So let's begin. The boot is one of the best features of the Puma because you can adjust the rear shelf to pack bigger items in, and there's a decent amount of generous storage too. The base model comes with a built-in satellite navigation system and voice command technology, making it fairly good value for money across the range. Compared with some of its competitors, the ST line for their Weeks family review, which sits in the middle of the range and costs $32,690 before the on-road costs and optional extras. The entry model Puma is $30,340, while the top of the range is the ST Line V at $35,890. The ST Line in the review comes with a sunroof, but now the feature is only available on the ST Line V for an extra $2,000. Overall, the Puma is a good value for money because of what you can get even with the base model. It was also fairly fuel efficient across the week and provides a comfortable drive and a space for a family with one or two children. The review model features the Desert Island Blue paint option for the $650, which I think is one of the best colors, but there's quite a few to choose them. The LED daylight time running has been designed to resemble those for the Ford GT supercar, and they make sure the car stands out from the pack. The ST Line matte black grille and the front and rear aprons give it a distinctive look along with the integrated spoiler. Plus, you get the 17-inch alloy wheels, but more importantly, you get the sports suspension, which adds to the overall comfort of the car. Inside the car feels the modern, and designers have packed quite a lot into its small space. The ST Line gets metal pedals, cover and the red stitching along the seats. Even the entry model gets the synthetic leather gear shifts, handbrake and flat-bottomed steering wheels, which feels good while you are driving. Despite the small size of the car, every millimeter has been used well, and the design feels fresh thanks to the dials and covered lines that tie the whole personality of the Puma together. Even though it still has the handbrake and gear shift, which could make it feel dated, the rest of the features, including the tech, help give it a more modern feel. The Ford Puma comes with a small 1-liter 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine, but it packs quite a punch for its size. Its 7-speed dual-clutch auto and front-wheel drive, the sports suspension with the ST Line gives it quite a comfortable drive, and it handles well in wet and rainy conditions. During the time with the car, we didn't see much sun. The only issue I had with the engine was it slowed down to drive over a decent pothole or reversed over a dip. It struggled to kick back into a gear and did lurch forward once or twice, but this only happened while driving a lower speed. It was great on the motorway and the main roads. The driving position was fairly good. The boot space is well thought out with an adjustable partial shelf, which gives you a lot more space to storage large items, and under that hidden level of storage there is a space saver spare. In total, you get 410 liters of boot space. When you fold the rear seats down, you get 1170 liters. Thank you for listening this video. Do like and subscribe my channel.